Have you ever wondered what your cat is trying to tell you? Cats communicate in unique ways, often and through vocalizations. Every meow can have a different meaning based on pitch and length. A short meow might be a greeting, while a long one could mean annoyance. Purring is typically a sign of contentment, but can also indicate pain. Hissing or growling signals that your cat feels threatened or scared. Cats also use body language to express their feelings. Watch their tails and ears for clues about their mood. Sometimes cats talk by bringing you their toys or food. Understanding your cat's communication helps strengthen your bond.
Did you enjoy that video? It was made with HitPaw Etymacor.
Their AI voice generator is superb.
Take my word for it. Here's how to create that video using HitPaw Etymacor's voice and video AI generator.
Open Etymacor and click on AI Video Generator. Either choose an idea from scratch or paste your script in the box. Then add media or opt for an automatic pick. Generate video. The video and subtitles automatically generate. Click on Advanced Settings to begin editing your video to taste. There you go. I told you, Etymacor got you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.